How much easier would your life be if managing your business was, well, easy? If booking appointments, processing payments, and marketing your services felt less like a juggling act and more like a well-oiled machine? Today, we're diving deep into a platform that promises to do just that. Vagaro. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why thousands of businesses, from bustling salons to serene yoga studios, swear by it. So what exactly are the benefits of Vagaro? It's a question many business owners in the health, beauty, and fitness industries find themselves asking, especially when drowning in the complexities of day-to-day operations. Vagaro isn't just another booking software. It's a comprehensive business management solution designed to streamline, simplify, and supercharge your enterprise. Let's break down the key advantages that make Vagaro a game-changer for so many. First and foremost, let's talk about appointment scheduling. This is often the primary pain point for many service-based businesses. The endless phone calls, the missed messages, the double bookings. It's enough to drive anyone to distraction. Vagaro revolutionizes this with its intuitive online booking system. Clients can book appointments 24/7 from your website, social media, or the Vagaro app, all at their convenience. This isn't just about client convenience. It dramatically reduces the administrative burden on your staff, freeing them up to focus on what they do best, serving your customers. Imagine the reduction in phone calls and the increase in successful bookings, even when your business is closed. Plus, automated reminders significantly cut down on no-shows, a direct boost to your bottom line. Beyond just booking, Vagaro excels in client management. Every client interaction is tracked and centralized. From their booking history and preferences to any notes you add about their specific needs or past services, it's all there at your fingertips. This rich client profile allows for personalized service, building stronger relationships and fostering loyalty. Want to remember that Sarah prefers a specific stylist or that John has a sensitivity to certain products? Vagaro makes it easy. This level of detail isn't just good for customer service. It also provides valuable insights into your clientele, allowing you to tailor your offerings and marketing efforts more effectively. Then there's the often dreaded task of payment processing. Vagaro integrates seamlessly with various payment options, making it incredibly simple to accept credit cards, gift certificates, and even recurring payments for memberships. The system is secure, PCI compliant, and offers competitive rates, ensuring you get paid efficiently and reliably. No more fumbling with separate terminals or manual reconciliation. Everything is integrated, simplifying your end-of-day reconciliation and reducing the chances of errors. This streamlined approach saves time and provides peace of mind, knowing your financial transactions are handled professionally. One of Vagaro's less obvious, but equally powerful, benefits lies in its marketing and promotion tools. It's not enough to just offer great services. You need to let people know about them. Vagaro provides built-in email marketing, text message campaigns, and even social media integrations. You can send out newsletters, announce promotions, or simply remind clients of upcoming appointments, all directly from the platform. Imagine segmenting your client list to send a special offer only to those who haven't visited in a while, or promoting a new service to your most loyal customers. These targeted marketing efforts are incredibly effective at driving repeat business and attracting new clients, without the need for expensive third-party marketing software. For businesses offering classes or workshops, Vagaro's class and membership management features are a godsend. You can easily create and manage class schedules, allow clients to sign up, track attendance, and even manage recurring memberships with automated billing. This is particularly beneficial for yoga studios, fitness centers, dance schools, and any business with a group-based offering. The complexity of managing multiple classes with varying capacities and payment structures is significantly simplified, allowing you to focus on delivering great instruction, not administrative headaches. Furthermore, Vagaro offers robust reporting and analytics. This is where you gain real insights into your business's performance. From daily sales reports and employee performance metrics to client retention rates and service popularity, Vagaro provides a wealth of data. These reports aren't just numbers. They are actionable insights that help you make informed decisions. Which services are most profitable? Which employees are top performers? Are your marketing campaigns actually generating revenue? Vagaro answers these questions, empowering you to identify trends, optimize your operations, and drive growth. It's like having a business consultant built right into your software. Let's not forget the employee management aspect. Vagaro allows you to manage staff schedules, track commissions, and monitor performance. You can set up different access levels for employees, ensuring they only see the information relevant to their role. This simplifies payroll processing, improves accountability, and provides a clear overview of your team's contributions. For salon owners, spa managers, or studio directors, this is an invaluable tool for maintaining a well-organized and efficient workforce. Finally, the sheer versatility and scalability of Vagaro are major benefits. Whether you're a solopreneur just starting out or a large multi-location enterprise, Vagaro can adapt to your needs. Its modular design allows you to pick and choose the features that are most relevant to your business, and as you grow, the platform can grow with you. This flexibility means you're not locked into a system that quickly becomes outdated or too small for your ambitions. The constant updates and improvements by Vagaro also ensure that you're always using a cutting-edge platform. In essence, Vagaro isn't just a tool. It's an ecosystem designed to free you from the mundane administrative tasks that often bog down small businesses. It allows you to reclaim your time, reduce stress, and focus on what truly matters, providing exceptional service and growing your business. The cumulative effect of these benefits is a more efficient, more profitable, and ultimately, more enjoyable business experience. It transforms chaos into order and effort into efficiency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.